Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today on the west end of London, southwest end, brand new build. We're going to be installing a Duradek roof system over a living space. So we'll take you up top. We're going to do some prep work. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We've come up top of the roof. We've prepped it. We've cut the tape so we can bring our membrane up and underneath this door threshold. So what we're doing now, after the wood has been installed, we're simply applying a concrete cementous mixture to smooth out where the two pieces of wood butt together. So when we put the vinyl, there's no transparency from underneath. There we go. We're going to do that today. Tomorrow we're going to come sand it down and start adhering the new membrane. We have a drip flashing around the outside, and there we go. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal will show you what it looks like when we start sanding this and putting down some new membrane. Thanks a lot. All right, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal, we finished the job, turned out beautifully. These bubbles over the next 2 days are going to settle, so the Duradek's going to set on the wood. We did the detail under the sliding door, nice and tight. That's how you want it, because in the winter, we are going to have snow build up here. We have a detail around a 6x6 column. This is going to get cladded over time, so they're going to clad this. We have a nice polyurethane sealant at the bottom, and then we have a couple brick details on the side. The contractor still has to come and put the siding. Typically, you want to put the roof on first to make sure your roof comes underneath the siding and it properly sheds water that way. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal, hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.